LC Series Automatic Folder Gluer is designed for a straight line, crash lock bottom, double wall, 4 and 6 corner boxes, and incorporates the latest concepts and technologies of new Rolam machinery. It is capable of handling boxes of various sizes efficiently, allowing for quick job changes to meet the needs of packaging companies, commercial printers, and finishers. Driven by ribbed V-belts for stability and precision, the machine features a feeding part with motor control to enhance speed and accuracy in adjustments. Rolam always offer advanced solutions for efficient packaging operations.